In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fight and defeat the slime boss here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to literally every single comment down there. So if you have any questions, just ask them. But first things first, what you need to do is make your way over to the teleporter, interact with it, and teleport to Slime Island. So make your way over to Slime Island, and once you're here, you need to go ahead and get yourself some slime keys. So go ahead and interact with the slime key crafter, craft some slime keys. I'm actually missing some slime shards right now. To get those, you can actually farm these guys right over here. But once you have some slime shards and some slime keys, go ahead and make your way over to the slime boss summoner, interact with this guy, and of course, go ahead and spawn in the slime boss. It'll spawn right in here. You can go ahead and farm him just like so. Now, this boss does have a decent amount of health, about 200 million, so it's probably going to take a decent amount of time for you to go ahead and take them out. This is the Demon Lord boss, by the way, but just go ahead and keep farming. And once you keep farming, you can go ahead and get yourself all the required materials for not only the key itself, but also the mastery on the other side. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.